Deep Talks with Jorgs.
You know this Deep Talks with Jorgs thing?
Dude. Yes.
I have my own catchphrase. I didn't know I was gonna go this far. Honestly, I just started as a little peon in this society. And I guess I just worked my way up. But Deep Talks with Jorgs. Funny thing about nature is when you get out here, everything goes away. Everything.
Really good? Mm-hmm. Jorgen, how is it that you call the wildlife towards you? Ow! Wow. That's great.
That's fresh. Crazy how nature makes trees like this. This right here is fresh glacier water. Chatauqua what? Look! It's an aspen. You can tell it's an aspen by the way it looks. Bjorn here. It's getting pretty late out, as you can see. My face is totally black. I'm gonna see if I... Actually, have you guys ever seen that show, Bear Grylls? Well, I watched that show every day when I was a kid. And it's gonna help me survive this night. I'm gonna put all my Boy Scout, whatever I learned in Boy Scouts. I didn't go to Boy Scouts. I'm gonna learn it. And I'm gonna survive this night with whatever Bear Grylls taught me. Survive the night out here in the wilderness. Out.
Right, we're in the wilderness today. Going through the woods. Oh my god. There's a Bjorn in its natural habitat. Watch as it slowly grazes among its natural eating habitat. It loves the leaves. Oh no, it's a rabbit!